Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you know how exciting it is to manage your assets. Today, we're tackling a common task: withdrawing Matic from your Arculus wallet to Gemini. This step-by-step guide will make it simple and secure, so you can move your funds with confidence. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, let's get right into it. First things first, make sure you have the Arculus Wallet app installed on your device and that it's updated to the latest version for 2025. This ensures you have all the new security features. Open the app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet dashboard where you'll see your assets listed. Next, locate your Matic tokens. Tap on the Matic icon to select it. Now, look for the withdraw or send option. It's usually right there on the screen. Before you proceed, double-check that you're sending to the correct address. Head over to your Gemini account on their website or app, go to your wallet section, and copy the Matic deposit address. This is crucial to avoid any mistakes. Back in Arculus, paste the Gemini address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Matic you want to withdraw, but remember to leave a little extra for network fees. They've been optimized in 2025, but they still add up. Review the transaction details carefully. Hit confirm, and you'll be prompted to verify with your wallet's security features, like biometrics or a PIN. Once the transaction is initiated, it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours to process, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Arculus transaction history and Gemini account to track it. And hey, always enable two-factor authentication on both platforms for added security. There you have it. That's how you withdraw Matic from Arculus to Gemini in 2025. It's straightforward once you know the steps, and it puts you in control of your crypto journey. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there.